Ielts essay question. Some children spend hours every day on their smartphones. Why is this the case? Do you think this is a positive or a negative development? In today's digital era, it is increasingly common to witness children spending countless hours engrossed in their smartphones. This phenomenon raises questions about its underlying causes and whether it represents a positive or negative development. This essay aims to explore the reasons behind this trend and provide an analysis of its potential impacts. One significant factor contributing to the extensive smartphone usage among children is the rapid advancement of technology and the increased accessibility of smartphones. With each passing year, smartphones become more powerful, affordable, and readily available. The proliferation of internet connectivity and the widespread use of social media platforms have further fueled this trend. As a result, children now have access to a vast array of apps, games, and social interactions at their fingertips, which can be highly enticing and captivating. The allure of smartphones for children can be attributed to various psychological and social factors. Firstly, smartphones provide a sense of instant gratification and stimulation, offering a world of entertainment, information, and social interaction. This instant gratification can create a dependency on smartphones as a primary source of entertainment, leading children to spend excessive amounts of time using them. Moreover, the rise of social media platforms has fostered a need for constant validation and connection among young individuals, resulting in prolonged smartphone usage as they seek to maintain their online presence and social connections. The prevalence of children spending several hours each day on smartphones is driven by a combination of technological advancements, accessibility, and psychological and social factors. While this phenomenon can have both positive and negative implications, it is crucial to strike a balance that promotes healthy smartphone usage among children. On the positive side, smartphones provide access to educational resources, facilitate communication, and enhance technological literacy. However, excessive smartphone usage can lead to various issues such as decreased physical activity, diminished social interactions, and potential negative effects on mental health. To ensure a positive outcome, parents, educators, and policymakers should promote digital literacy and responsible smartphone use among children. Encouraging a healthy balance between screen time and other activities, fostering offline social interactions, and guiding children to engage in productive and educational smartphone usage can mitigate the potential drawbacks associated with excessive smartphone dependence. By doing so, we can harness the benefits of technology while safeguarding the well-being and development of children in this increasingly digital age.